Hi guys, this is Infinity and I'm going to tell you how I made this awesome steampunk finger cap. Well, I guess it's like having a bionic uh, finger appendage prosthetic. So I do have all 10 fingers. Okay. This is for decorative purposes. In all honesty, I made this because of when my top of my finger did get cut off some months ago. And I'm a piano player and I had to build something that my finger is still nerve damaged. So this protects my finger um, from hitting the piano keys with it because I'm still in a lot of pain from the nerve damage. So this steampunk finger cap with the gears starts out very innocently looking like this. So I got these from eBay. This is a size number 2 and it's on my 4th finger, my ring finger. So you might need to get one larger if you want it for a different finger, but a size 2 should fit most female ring fingers. So when you get it from eBay, it's called a DIP finger guard or a DIP finger brace. DIP is the name of the joint that this protects. It's for people that have arthritis or something like that and they're not supposed to bend their finger. So you could get this on eBay for a couple of bucks. And it comes in a very, very boring skin color when you buy it. And there's Velcro, and the size is adjustable, so you can make it larger if you need to, or you could squish it in and make it softer. So very easy to do. I started out by spray painting the whole kit and caboodle. Okay, so for the steampunk one, I used this chrome colored spray paint, or you could use silver or gold, or maybe black would be nice. And I spray painted the whole thing, including the Velcro. Okay. And then what I did was I lined the inside with some black tape. This tape has a texture to it. It's some kind of a medical tape. And I just lined the inside. You can't tell because the gears are covering up the interior. But I also put some of that texturized black tape on the back because this is extremely slippery, and if you happen to be playing the piano, you're going to slide right off your sharps. So this gives you more of a grip, like a human finger would have a grip, as opposed to a hard surface. See, now that has more texture. So once I have that spray painted, adjust the Velcro strap so that it fits your finger the way you want it to fit. And then these gears I also got from eBay. Just, type in the word bag of gears and you get a bag of gears. And what I did was I put some gears to cover up the exposed fingernail to make it less medical looking. So the important thing is that you cover those air holes and cover up your fingernail, and that way it won't look like a medical device. And none of my piano playing friends know that this started off like life looking like this medical device here. They just think that it's the coolest thing that I play the piano now with my bionic steampunk finger. And I do. I don't recommend it for piano playing. It's more, for me, it's more to avoid the pain, the sharp pain that I get when this finger hits a key. I try to do my playing with the remaining 4 fingers. I also made this other version which has flowers on it. I spray painted the base white, the unit white, and then these little flowers came on wires. So the back is kind of messed up with tape because of all the wiring underneath, but this is like a spring version. And I'll probably make a few more for, I don't know, the holidays or other designs, just other designs, because I have to wear this now every time I play the piano, either for a few years or the rest of my life, depending if my nerves ever heal. So, but I think it would be nice to go with any steampunk costume. It's certainly different than just wearing rings, and it's a very easy and on to take on and off. And if you wear it on the ring finger, you can leave it on all night, and it really won't interfere with what you're doing because that's the least used of all the fingers. Okay, have fun making that, guys.